The Bank of England has finally cut interest rates for the first time in 4 years, from 5.25% to 5%. 5 members of the Monetary Policy Committee, including Governor Andrew Bailey, voted to reduce the bank rate by 25 basis points, while 4, including Chief Economist Huw Pill, backed another hold. So what does this all mean? Well, since lifting rates to a 16-year high in August, the bank has kept rates at 5.25%, despite protests from businesses, politicians, and some prominent economists. Investors were genuinely uncertain about what the bank would decide today, given the different signals on inflation over the past few months. The bank's usual response to rising inflation is to increase the UK's official interest rates. And while the headline rate of inflation is back at 2%, measures of underlying inflationary pressure remain stubbornly high. Services inflation, a good gauge of domestic price dynamics, remains stuck at 5.7% in June and has not made significant progress since February. Wage growth is also running too hot for rate settlers to feel confident that inflation is returning to the target sustainably. However, unemployment has increased significantly since the end of last year, which should help ease wage pressure. And even though rates have been held steady since last August, economic growth has actually accelerated in a sign that the economy is withstanding the pressure from tight monetary policy. But looking to the months ahead, members in favour of a cut saw enough evidence to feel confident that inflationary pressures are eventually starting to dissipate. Today's decision to cut interest rates means that rates on mortgages and savings could shift and help bring down repayments, which in theory could mean some landlords pass lower mortgage costs onto their tenants, resulting in cheaper rent. Alongside the interest rate decision, the bank published its latest economic forecasts, which showed inflation picking up to around 2.7% by the end of the year. Here at City A.M, we would like to know, do you think rate setters made the right call by cutting interest rates? And how is this going to impact you? Let us know in the comments.